Hey there awesome people, I hope you guys are doing great। और आज इस वीडियो में मैं द बेस्ट बजट मैगसेफ पावर बैंक फॉर योर आईफोन और अदर डिवाइस के बारे में बात करना चाहता हूँ। सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी मोर टाइम, लेट्स गेट इनटू द वीडियो। This power bank that we're talking about in this video is nothing but the Portronics Luxel Wireless Mini 10K। मुझे मालूम है इसका नाम बहुत लंबा है, but it has got some features under its sleeve। So let's take a look at it। Now पहली बार देखें तो पावर बैंक को जब देखते हैं तो it has a transparent window which serves only one purpose, which it only shows the battery level of the power bank। बाकी सब जो आपको दिख रहा है that is only for aesthetic purpose। As you can see, it has 4 LED lights that shows the battery level of the power bank। और अगर आपने नोटिस किया है जो फर्स्ट LED है वो ग्रीन लाइट में, ग्रीन कलर में ग्लो करता है। This shows that the power bank is charging your device at a high speed or it is getting charged at a high speed। So this green light indicator is kind of important to let you know if it is charging at a high speed। and अगर इस पावर बैंक को ऑन करना हो तो आपको टॉप में एक बटन मिल जाएगा जिसको आप प्रेस करके इसको ऑन कर सकते हो। Now talking about the ports of this power bank comes with a USB-A, USB-C as well as wireless charging coil। तो simultaneously आप 3 डिवाइस को एक ही टाइम पे चार्ज कर सकते हो, of course with some low speed, which is something very impressive। Now the USB-A port जो यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो, it can deliver up to 22.5 watt of power, whereas the USB-C port ये सपोर्ट करता है 20 वाट तक पावर आउटपुट and 18 वाट और 18 watts of power input, which means that this power bank can even charge itself फास्ट, क्योंकि ये फास्ट चार्जिंग को सपोर्ट करता है। मैंने ट्राई किया था मेरे यूनिजन पावर ब्रिक से इसको चार्ज करने में एंड इट टुक अराउंड 2 to 2.5 आवर्स, विच इज़ फाइन कंसिडरिंग आप ओनली 1500 या फिर 1500 Indian rupees pay करे, which is very affordable। and if you're interested in buying this power bank, you can also definitely go ahead and buy from my video description। और हाँ, अगर आप वहाँ से खरीदते हो then I'll get a small commission that will support me as well as my channel in creating more videos। और हाँ, अगर आप वहाँ से जाके बाय करोगे आपको एक्स्ट्रा कुछ भी पे नहीं करना हो, जो वहाँ पे प्राइस दिखेगा आपको उतना ही देना है, but in turn I'll just get a small commission that will just help me in creating more videos। Now let's get to the main attraction of this power bank, which is nothing but the MagSafe compatibility। Now this power bank does have strong magnets जो आपके iPhone में बहुत अच्छी तरीके से चिपक जाता है, but remember guys, if you're using a case that is not MagSafe supported, और आसान भाषा में बात करें तो इसमें मैग्नेट्स नहीं होते, then the power bank won't stick to your phone, nor your phone will get charged up pretty well। So if you don't have a MagSafe supported case, then I would suggest you to remove the case and then use the power bank on your naked phone, which will eliminate any connection issues or charging problems। For me, I'm using the Spigen Meg Armor case, which does support MagSafe, and link of which you can find in the video description। आप वहाँ पे जाके इसको भी आप खरीद सकते हो if you have an iPhone 12, 13, 14 or 15। Spigen ये केस बनाता है and you can go ahead and buy it with no problem। डिस्क्रिप्शन में आपको मिल जाएगा। Now to activate the wireless charging, ये फ़ोन को लगाने के बाद, मतलब पीठ पे ये पावर बैंक को लगाने के बाद, just press the button that is found on the top, and within short time your power bank will start charging up your iPhone with the MagSafe animation, as you can see। So MagSafe animation आने के लिए 15 वाट आउटपुट लगता है, and this power bank does do that, so you will get the MagSafe animations। Now few things that you should keep in mind, like during charging the phone the power bank does gets hot, and that is totally natural to be honest, but still मुझे लगा कि आप लोग को बता दो। And nothing is perfect, right? Nothing is perfect। This is a gadget, it has pros and cons। Now let me tell you the cons of this power bank। मुझे लगा कि पहला चीज जो है इसका बिल्ड क्वालिटी। ट्रस्ट मी गाइस, इट इज नॉट चीप और एनीथिंग एज सच। आई हैव ट्राइड एंड टेस्टेड अदर नॉर्मल पावर बैंक्स व्हिच फील्स अ बिट मोर प्रीमियम, बट एक चीज भी है, कंसीडरिंग द प्राइस एंड फीचर्स जो इस पावर बैंक में है, यू कैन नॉट गेट एनीथिंग बेटर देन दिस। सो आई एम नॉट कंप्लेनिंग, बट आई थिंक इट कुड हैव बीन अ बिट बेटर, बट स्टिल इट इज ओके। अगर ये हाथ से गिरता है देन देयर इज अ वेरी हाई चांस दैट इट विल ब्रेक। द प्लास्टिक feels a bit kind of flimsy, but still it is what it is. You get what you pay for. The other thing is that the power bank does get heated up during fast charging. Even when charging the power bank, it does get heated up, and if it is charging wirelessly, it does get heated up as well. But a small hack that I want to give it to you, एक small hack मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूँ. If you're using this power bank to charge up your iPhone, like by using MagSafe, of course, try attaching the power bank to your phone in a landscape orientation, as you can see right here. Don't use it in a portrait. I know it is much more comfortable using the portrait mode, but if you're using in a portrait mode, then both of the power bank and your phone gets heated up, and even the phone stops charging if the temperature is high. So if you want to tackle that issue, try charging your phone by using it in the landscape orientation. तब फोन भी ज़्यादा हीट नहीं होता है, nor the power bank gets heated up pretty much, और ये आराम से चार्ज कर सकता है with no problem whatsoever. Now, is this power bank the best budget MagSafe power bank for you in the market? Well, the easy answer is yes. Considering the price, feature and capacity, no other brands, कोई भी brands इसको beat नहीं कर सकते. The Protronics Luxel Wireless Mini 10K आज है अप्रैल के महीने तक पोट्रॉनिक्स से और भी कोई भी ब्रांड नहीं है जो इतने सस्ते में इतना सारा फीचर्स एंड इतना कैपेसिटी का MagSafe पावर बैंक दे रहा है. Well, that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any doubts or question, please let me know in the comment box down below. Link of all the items, that is the case as well as the brick or आपको power bank, you will find it in the video description. Well, that's pretty much it. Have a great day and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.